Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Golf GT TDI. So this is a Blue Motion, so really cheap to run, insure, free road tax. As you can see, it's finished in grey. So it's a standard car, just been serviced. It's got new tyres on. We've got both sets of keys. It's HPI clear. As with all our cars, we can offer finance, and they all come with a warranty with the option to extend as well. So bodywork's all clean and tidy, as you can see. The cambelt's been done, and the water pump, we've got the receipt for that. Everything's all clean, as you'd expect. Got the locking wheel nuts as well. So really well presented for the age and mileage. So really the video is just to give you an idea of what it's like in the flesh, travelling a long way. It's got the adaptive cruise, Bluetooth, music stream, multi-function steering wheel, full electric windows, auto lights. As I say, the full spec will be on the advert for you. As with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. This is just so that you don't set off and have a wasted trip if someone else is already on the way. And we can also reserve any car for a small reservation fee. As always, if you've got any questions or you'd like to know anything, just drop us an email or give us a ring. Thanks for watching.